Do you think parents these days understand that kids can try art as a profession, as a career?
Generally, no.
Generally, no, right? That's my feeling too. I had a parent.
But I would agree with that.
I had a parent a few years ago,
Yeah.
and she said like, "Oh, Mr. Simandan, my son wants to go to Japan and study manga art." And I'm like, that's a $1 billion business. Like, let him go for it. And I didn't even know there is a faculty of manga at a university in Kyoto. Like, isn't that amazing?
Mm-hmm. That is. I'm not familiar with the actual industry in Japan. I'm sure it's humongous.
It is humongous.
Where's the student from? This family?
He was from the Philippines.
The Philippines. Okay.
And then I kept telling him, like, you need to come up with your own character.
Mm-hmm.
And your own, your own, like as you were saying, concept, right?
Yeah.
But the parents like, no, he's a smart kid. He needs to go to Canada. And I think a few years later, I met the parent and I said, so what happened? I said, oh, yeah, he went to Japan.
Okay.
So where is he now? Oh, he's in a company drawing and he being happy.
That's fantastic.
I know. Should parents take this risk?
I don't think it's up for the parents to take.
I know.
Is
it a risk after all?
I think it's good for the parents to have that side of the argument, right? So, being an artist, it's not the most financially secure job. The reason being, when an economy, so no bigger picture here, when an economy goes down, first jobs that get cut are creative jobs. When the economy is healthy, though, art is great. When the economy is healthy, it's great. And in this case, if the kid can overcome the parents' pressure, that's a good indicator that the risk is low, actually.
Yeah, he was talented.
And if he's willing to overcome it, then, because the biggest risk is the person giving up, right? It's not the industry, because it's hard, it's competitive. $1 billion, but there's 1 million people trying to get in. So it takes that person that can say, whatever you say, I love you guys, but I'm going anyway.